Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can check it out your archive messages in Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account and connect with the good Wi-Fi or the good data on your mobile phone. So let me show you how you can do it. Go to main menu, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. In the second menu you will see the third option called archive. Click on that, and then you will see over here your archive messages over here. So if you want to unarchive this, you have to simply swipe it to left and unarchive, or like you wanna stay it over here, like you didn't want to archive this or only check it out. If you want to check the messages in it, you can simply check it out from here, or that's it. That's how you can check it out, your archive messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.